sports is one of the major part when traditional Goans have been running. So the major issue was regarding uniformity of rates to all the water sports associations throughout the state of Goa. ते आम्ही तांकां सांगिल्लें तुमी रेटी युनिफॉर्म तुमकां दिसता तशें करात बट नॉर्थ टू साउथ हेज टू बी युनिफॉर्मली प्रिवेल्ड. ताज्या प्रमाणे तांणी जी रेट्स दिल्ल्यो त्यो रेट्स आमी गॅझेट नोटिफिकेशन करून तांकां परत सर्क्युलेशनान केल्यो. So uniformity of rates which will be followed by all the water sports associations in Goa has been done. The challenge is right now the business within Goa and the illegalities which are happening by certain travel agencies. So the travel agencies which are there, they tanka jo whether online or whether they are having their offices here are not given permission to sell any water sports. ताज्या खातीर आयच्यान आमी डिसायड केला the tourism department will enforce along with the local panchayats and the associations without disturbing the tourist of their experience. हे पहिले कब जावपाची गरज आसा.
मिनिस्टरान हे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी सिरियसली घेतलेली आहा आनी इवन शॅक आनी हे टाउट्स जे इलिगल टाउट्स जे भोंवता आनी कस्टमरांक फटयता आनी आमचे सोशल मिडियाचेर गोंयचें नांव बदनाम जाता ट्युरिजमाचेर हें बंद जावपा खातीर केलां. इट्स अ गुड मूव by the Department of Tourism and all the stakeholders. Stakeholders म्हणजे हे आता water sports stakeholders. Separately मागीर shack owners, fishermen, हे सगळे stakeholders of this industry. So if we all work together, then only you can push them out. Some people were coming in the state of Goa thinking they are going to make every day 5,000, 10,000. ते खाली येतात लुटपाक, टुरिस्टांक लुटता आणि फायनली बदनाम कोण जाता हे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स ऑपरेटर. हें जावचें न्हू म्हणून हे सगळो प्रयत्न जालो आहा. त्या खातीर कोस्टल आमदार हिंगासर जे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी थंय चालू आहा जे आमच्या केदाराचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आहा शोले हिंगा आहा अंजना वागोदर कलंगूट. सो वी आर द मेन पीपल हू actually requested tourism minister that you need to take up this issue because it is finally coming on the beach and they are the monitoring people and we have to overall see that customer goes with a good experience from the state of Goa.